In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and transfer your emails seamlessly using Hostinger Webmail. Whether you're migrating your communications to a new platform or simply want to create a backup, I'll guide you through these straightforward steps to ensure you can handle your emails with confidence. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Hostinger Webmail account. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Hostinger Webmail login page. Enter your username and password, ensuring you double-check them for any typos. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see your inbox and other folders just as you normally would, giving you full access to your email data. Next, let's talk about how you can efficiently manage your emails using the import-export feature if it's accessible. This tool is incredibly handy for moving your emails elsewhere or for backing them up. However, if that feature isn't available, don't worry. You can always configure your preferred email client, such as Outlook, to download your emails using the IMAP protocol. IMAP is beneficial because it allows you to access your emails from multiple devices while keeping them in sync. By configuring your email client with IMAP, you'll ensure a smooth and efficient download process. Once your emails are safely downloaded, you may want to export these emails as files on your computer. Typically, these files will be in formats such as .eml or .mbox. These file formats are standard in email management, helping to keep your email content intact and recognizable by various platforms. Exporting your emails into these formats not only provides a backup but also makes them easily importable into other email clients or services. When it comes time to import your emails, the process can be quite straightforward. If your email client supports it, you can simply upload the files via an import tool provided. Similarly, if you're still within the Hostinger Webmail, there might be an import option you can use directly there. It's as simple as selecting the files you've previously exported and letting the tool do its job in bringing those emails back into your inbox. This keeps your emails organized and all in one place. By following these steps, you'll secure your communication data and maintain flexibility in your email usage. Remember, with the right tools and a little bit of attention, managing your emails can be both easy and efficient. After all, ensuring that your emails are safely stored and ready to transfer at a moment's notice is just another way to keep your digital life seamlessly in order. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for more useful tutorials like this one.